how to turn off screenshot sound on iPhone. So in here, I'm going to take a random screenshot of my screen. So for example, I'm going to take this screenshot. So what I'm going to do is simply click on my power on button and my volume up button both at the same time. Then it make that sound which we don't want. So the solution for that is simply turning on your silent mode. For that, here you can go back first of all, and in here you can see your ringer button. All you need to do is simply switch this button down, just like this. Here you can see now your silent mode has been turned on. And now I'm going to take screenshot again. Simply click on power on button and volume up button. And now here you can see it does not make any sound. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.